I don't know what this is supposed to be, so I'm just going to talk till the battery runs out or I run out, whatever happens first. I figured I could get my thoughts documented. I don't really like to journal because there's something almost sacred and low-key magical about when I write things down. I've noticed that they've come to pass, good things. So I don't like to write the bad things down. I don't know. I've lost the true reason for creating, and that's to create for me. Because I made it about everybody else. And I know that creating has been so cathartic for me for years. And now it's just kind of evolved into something else where it's become this thing that I need it to work. I need it to work so I can put food on the table. I need it to work so I can get another car. I need it to work so I can move into my own place and be able to support myself. So all of that gets put onto my art and it's fucking stifling. It's suffocating. I don't think I've ever really said that out loud. Wow, I suffocated my art. But that ends today.